Good morning, children. This is your social teacher speaking. How are you, children? Hope you are all doing good. Children, today's session you are going to learn part 3 from the subject of history, unit 2. What is the title of the unit 2 lesson? Do you remember? Yes, human evolution is the title of unit 2, the lesson from history. Okay, children? Yes. Before moving to today's session, I want to give a recapitulation regarding your last session captions. Okay, children? Yes. What are the subtitles that you have learned elaborately? Okay, learned elaborately in the previous 2 sessions. That is, in first session and second session, that you have learned about the origins of humans, and you have learned about the different stages of human evolution from nomadic hunting gathering to a settled life. Okay, children? And later you have learned about the stone implements of the prehistoric humans, and at last that you have learned about the use of fire and wheel. Do you know our ancestors are invented three stages of stages of the things. What are they? They are fire, wheel, and afterwards what that is? No, the tools. These are all invented by our ancestors, pre-ancestors. Okay. Yes, children. And today's class, we are going to start our class from this slide. See, here this slide is depict you regarding our ancestors. It spoke very clearly about the lifestyle of our ancestors, how they have started their occupation as a name of farming and afterwards fishing. Okay, catching the fish on the ponds and afterwards rivers side, etc. Okay, yes, see here they have done their formation, that is farming also, like as a side of a river side. Okay, where the alluvial soil are availably fertile lot. Okay, yes, children. Now let's move to the another slide. See here, this picture is spoke about you the prehistoric of the rock art of our home of our ancestors, especially our ancestors who all lived in Tamil Nadu. See here, there are few pictures regarding the rock arts. The rock arts. See here, this first rock art is founded in a place of Keelvalai at Villupuram district, and next the second art of the rock art is founded in a side of district of Madurai, especially a place of Usilampatti. Okay, and see the third. This rock art is founded in the place of Kamutipati, that is Coimbatore district. It is situated in a place of Coimbatore district, and Mavadaipu, Mavadaipu is a region where it means it is in the district of Coimbatore, and afterwards these two slides were belong to the region of Nilgiris. Okay, Nilgiris hills. Do you know where is the Nilgiri hills? It is in our Tamil Nadu. Okay, yes. Porivarai cave and Karaikayur are the two places where our ancestors levied their inscription as a name of rock arts. Okay, children, see how old are these rocks, which are all depicted the life of our ancestors. Okay, here see the men and female were as took place in this picture, and here one man were riding a horse. Okay, another one is here too also a person is riding on a horse. Another one is Mavadaipu. The art is depicted regarding the wild animals. Okay, we can take an example, deer and tiger is there. It reflecting the situation where during the period of hunting they have captured. Okay, and here see this too also during the period of the fighting period. Okay, yes, and here see there is a big oxen picture is depicted on this picture. Okay, children, yes, these pictures are referred as a rock art of Tamil Nadu during the period which is belong to our pre-ancestors as a prehistoric. Okay, children, yes. See here, the next slide we are going to see about that breeding of animals now became an important part of their life. Yes, of course, breeding. Okay, breeding means what? Breeding means breeding means producing or raising of young wild breeding animals is common in an agricultural setting. It is also a common practice for the purpose of selling animals meant as what? As a pets such as what the pets animals? The pets such as cats, dogs, horses and birds. Birds too also followed by nowadays as a occupation of breeding occupation, as a name of commerce they have breeded, given the importance nowadays. The period of human being were given importance to breeding of birds such as hens, ducks, cocks, etc. Okay, through by this breeding they were planned to earn what? Economic. Okay, they can done their economic activities through by this method. Okay children, yes, so our ancestors when came to know about the importance of what? The breeding of the animals in the previous periods on itself. Okay children, and next see here, oxen were used for plowing. Okay, yes, here oxen is what? The opposite gender of cow is known as oxen. Okay children, which are all used for pull the carts. Okay, yes, so these oxen were also used in a side of plowing. Okay, plowing. Oxen made the practice of agriculture easier. What is the meaning of plowing? Yes, plowing means a large farm tool which is pulled by a tractor or by an animal. A plow turns the soil over ready for seeds to be planted, which is mostly used by as a tool of whom? By the peasants. Peasants means whom here? Peasants means here refer to farmers. Most overly, this tool is used as a farmer tool. Okay, as a basic tool, as a primary tool. This is a first tool which is used in a method of what? Farming. That is a method of agriculture method. Okay children, by whom? By the farmers. Farmers may also called as a name of peasants. Okay children, yes, this is the same method is followed in our by our ancestors in the period of olden period, that means earlier period. Okay, as life was becoming organized, then it was when they were hunting. They totally, during the period of olden, the early period, the life were fully sacrificed. Our ancestors are sacrificed as a name of occupation, that is called as hunting. Okay, they gone to the forest, dense forest, and they started to hunted the wild animals. Okay, for their need of food also. Okay, yes, not two wild animals, some of the animals which are all able to taken as their day-to-day life food. Okay, yes, see here, this life enabled them to settle down in a place. So this situation will make our ancestors to be settled in one place. Okay, not to be moved from place to place. Where all the resources are presented, Lord, that the places were usefully given to as utilization to our ancestors. Okay, yes, so the potters wheel and fire solve the problem of utensils. What is the meaning of utensils? How the utensils problem was solved? That is potter's wheel. Already you had learnt about in your previous classes that about the wheel which has been founded by our ancestors through by what? Through by the rock wheels. Okay, yes, a hard stone wheel which is he founded and he learned the wheels are used for rotation. It is rolling. Okay, yes. That is the potter wheel and fire, what he had been what he had founded during the early period, that thing or used for what? To be as produce this utilization of utensils. Utensils means here a tool, container or other articles, especially for household use, what are all using in our day-to-day life of kitchenwares. Okay, see, nowadays you just take an example of your home kitchen where your mother used to cook a variety of yummy dishes. Okay, yes, see, during that period in your kitchen you have an opportunity to see a lot of, that is no, kinds of vessels in your home, is it no, children? On the dining table and afterwards on the kitchen slabs you have seen a lot of varieties of varieties of no utensils, that is called such as the utensils or examples such as the dish carriers and casseroles, like as a hot pots. Okay, have you seen that? No, in your home? Yes, and which keep the food as hot. Okay, that is called as no hot boxes. And afterwards plates, cups, spoons, jugs, mugs, tumblers, etc. were also called as nowadays modern utensils. Like as the same way, our ancestors on the past years they couldn't have a varieties of vessels, just they have an pots, and afterwards a saucer shaped of clay made utensils only they have used. Okay, how they have produced these utensils? They produced these utensils by using of wheel and fire. Okay, children, yes, see here, the invention of plow helped the farming practices. Yes, of course. Our ancestors have founded a tool is known as plow. Okay, already you know the meaning. What is the meaning of plow? Okay, it is a large farm tool which is used by our farmers. Farming started with the clearing of land and burning the leftover shrubs. Okay, children, yes, first of all the first step of the farming is started from what? Started from burning leftover shrubs means what? A woody plant which is smaller than a tree size. Okay, and has several main stems rising at or near the ground. Okay, for example shrubs, you can take the example common hibiscus is also one of the example, and second you take the example Japanese maple. Okay, and third one is oleander. Is all the these three are the examples of shrubs. Okay, children, yes, see now the plowed the land, they means here our ancestors plowed the land, showed the seeds in them, and they started to harvested the produce. Okay, where? On the land, by using of the earth they have started their what? Harvesting produce. Okay, yes, going to harvest the produce. Once the fertility of soil decreased, they moved to the new place. Of course, after they done their production through from the agriculture land area, automatically the fertility of the soil was started to decline. So far there is no use to be rise another one step of the fertile. Okay, that means another one set of agriculture methods. So the people moved to on finding of the new places. Okay, the food products stored were used during the lean harvest period. Even though what are all they produced during their production, the extra that is the marginal goods were stored for their future use also. Okay, when there is no any harvesting period at that time, they can utilize the extras, the surplus produce which are produced from the agriculture farm. Okay, yes, children, they can use for their future use. Yes, see now, so they decided to stay there permanently. Why they have decided to stay in a place particularly permanently? Because the place which are all given a lot of uses, so for that they have started to be settled in one place, that the place is belonged to as a abundant of natural resources which are all used a lot for their occupation, especially for fishing and farming. Okay, children, yes, so for our ancestors were dependent a lot to a place where the natural resources are gifted lot as an abundant level by the God. Okay, by our God. Yes, children, now see here, domestication of animals. Domestication means what? The meaning of domestication is the process of taming an animal and keeping it as a pet or on a farm. That is, for example, goats in the Middle East were followed. Here I'm giving some examples to you, children. Goats, domestic goats were followed as a domesticated animals, and not the Middle East part of our world. And afterwards, domesticated animals, llamas in South America and a region that were domesticated a lot. This type of animals as a domesticated animals, even though in our country also followed it, the goats, and afterward domesticated animal, and afterwards what, cows and buffaloes, etc. Okay, children. Yes, now see, humans thought of ways to be better their skill at hunting. Our ancestors were betterly improved their skill through by the way of hunting by using of his invention tool. His invention tool is what? The stone tools. Okay, he is very skilled. He just created, he just as no improved his skill through by this hunting new methods. Okay, yes, they found out that the dogs could sniff other animals and chase them away. Okay, children. Yes, here the dog only have a power of sniffing power. How that means? It is a animal which have before itself came to know about the enemy animals, okay, who are all going to be chased in their upcoming of time. Okay, yes, so human found them useful for hunting. So far that our ancestors were most overly used to take dogs along with them during the hunting period. Okay, children, see now, thus dogs become the first animal to whom? To our ancestors, to be domesticated by humans. In your home also you have domesticated some pet animals, like I said, dogs, okay, puppies, and afterwards small dogs, puppies, and afterwards cats, even though cats also a very pet to lot of the children, isn't no, children? Yes, and afterwards birds like such as a name of parrots, okay, etc. And see here, following the dogs, they started to domesticating hen. Our ancestors were followed to domesticated. Okay, what type of the what type of the animal, that is like us, no, the birds such as hen, cock, and afterwards animal like us, domesticated animal like us, goat and cow, etc. Okay, children. Yes. And next, see, humans stayed on the plains for a long time. Okay, yes, for a long time. Why? The plain is a place where they can uh, utilize the region as for their agriculture method. So for the they have to be used to stay in a side of plains. Plains means we can say the example of what, the river side. That is one of the example in India is what? It is about a northern plain, great northern plain in India. Okay, Ganga plain. It is also called as river Ganga. Okay, Ganga plain is an example of plains, which are all abundantly used for what? Abundantly used for the purpose of what? Purpose of agriculture. Okay, children. Yes. Now see here. During this period, they have not only learned agriculture. Who they means here? Our ancestors not only given importance to the learning of agriculture. Slowly he developed his skill in a side of what? Handicrafts. Okay, handicrafts means producing a good produced a good through by using of his hands. For example, coloring, painting the arts, okay, and afterwards give the structure to the hard stones as a name of what? As a name of idols, okay, which are all you are seeing in a temple, okay, as a name of god, no, the two also idol also one of the method of handicrafts method. And afterwards using of, that is no, making a basket by using of the material, raw material of bamboo stripes were used for what cause? Used for to be as no, to produced a basket, bamboo basket. Okay, have you seen that is no vendors, our day to day life, the vegetable vendors were sell by carrying of types of vegetables on his in his basket. Okay, yes, so this two are also be as given example of the handicrafts, children. Yes, and even though the arts, paintings, great paintings were also one of the example of what is it giving the through by using of hands they have producing the persons or the artisans were given a shape to the crafts. Okay, yes, and the wire bags, producing of the wire bags. Okay, designing of the wire bags through by using of that wires, the plastic wires. There are lot and lot of the structures were also produced. That is no the structures such as no like as a cat, like as a dog, and afterwards as a bird shapes were created through by using of this plastic wires. Okay, the stripes. Okay, now see here, permanent settlement in a place increased the yield of crops. Permanent settlement, permanent means the person who is settled in a same place for a long years without moving, without selecting any other places, it is called as permanent settlement. Why he had settled in a same place means where he had been, where he had seen a lot and a lot of uses. Okay, through by using of the natural resources. So here the land is the natural resources. Well, land is one of the natural resources. It is given a lot and lot of useful to our ancestors for what, for the cause of yielding crops as a name of agriculture. Okay, children, so for our ancestors were used to stay in a one place as a name of permanent settlement. Now they had grains in excess of what they consume. After what are all they produce as a name of what, as a name of production in his farm, the excess after the using of, after done the use of their consumption, the excess were kept for their future use, and afterward the excess, even though it is used for a name of sales. Okay, they sold to the other neighboring towns or otherwise neighbor persons. Okay, see here the surplus grains which were exchanged with the other groups for the other things they were in need of. Even though the produced goods, the extra, the surplus produced goods were exchanged by our ancestors as a name of what? As a name of that is no exchanging of goods. Exchanging goods means they are given goods for another one goods. It is goods for goods is exchange means it came to the name aside of barter system. Okay, here the money is not used as a exchanged good, exchange one. Okay, here the goods were used for to getting another one good is called as, the system is known as barter system. See here, exchange of goods without involving money, without using money, we are exchanging the good from one person to another person is called as barter system. For example, person A, take person A and person B. If suppose person A, he had a lot of produced as a name of apples means person B who consisted a lot of oranges. So instead of that, person A given her his produce his produce of apple to person B. Instead of that, he got what, oranges from the person B. Okay, so this method is known as what method? Barter system. But nowadays we are not using this system, because nowadays which is play a vital role? Which one is play a vital role? Money play a vital role. Okay, see, take an example. For example, if you are going to a shop, that you are purchasing some goods. Take an example of chocolate. You are buying a chocolate from a shopkeeper. Instead of that getting of the chocolate, what that you have to pay? You have to pay money. Okay, yes, this system is called as nowadays as a monetary system. Nowadays, modern era as a monetary system era. But in the olden days, they were followed our ancestors what system? Barter system. Okay, children, and yes, children. Now let's next move to the last sentence. Thus, trade and commerce developed, and towns and cities emerged. Okay, see here, what is the meaning of trade? The action of buying and selling goods and services are known as trade. Take the note of this, children. And commerce means what? As resemble to the trade, the activity of buying and selling, especially on a large scale. Okay, this is called as commerce, where the goods were exported to foreign countries has come under the category of commerce. Okay, children? Yes. For example, another one is, see here, we are buying the goods from China, or otherwise we are buying the goods from America, where India and America have the relationship of what? Relationship of commerce, okay, as a method of what? Buying and selling of especially a goods, which is called as paddy, wheat, etc. We can made a name of trade under the commerce. Okay, children? See, so these the same type we can follow that by the social dealing between people also. What? That is a trade and a commerce. Okay, buying and selling especially we can done by our society, in between the society internal also. Okay, yes. So these methods were developed the towns and cities to be emerged up to that now what we are following the method as a modern era. Okay, children? Yes, these are all the olden methods which are all introduced by our whom? By our ancestors. But now the trade and commerce were using as a new technologies, new methods in this modern era. Okay, children? Yes, now see. Before of we are at the stage of ending, children. So after this we are going to see the book back exercise, children. Okay, yes, a small recall about your lesson of history 2. Okay, human evolution, what that you have learned from past, that is 2 sessions, and afterwards including this session. Okay, children? Yes, that you have learned the evolution means the process in which humankind changes and develops into an advanced stage. Homo sapiens, you have learned about that, and migrated out of Eastern Africa and settled in different parts of the world. Humans, with the help of the Chikimuki flint, made sharp weapons and tools. Okay, and afterwards fire was used by our early human ancestors to protect him from predators, for cooking food, and for the light during night. Okay, yes, he too also invented what? Fire. And the invention of wheel is considered to be the foremost invention of whom? Our ancestors. It made pot making easier. See, at last we get the knowledge. You learned about the past lifestyle through what? Through the rock paintings of our ancestors. Okay, children? Oh, yes. Hope that you have learned well. Okay, children? If there is any doubt, means you just go through once your slides, and afterwards you are having text on your hand, means you go through, children, that is. Okay, yes. See here, now we are moving to our exercise. See, I am going to read the answer after telling of the question. Okay, see, first one, choose the correct answer. The first question is, the process of evolution is what? The process of evolution is, answer is gradual. And second one, see, Tanzania is situated in the continent of which continent? Asia, Africa, America, or Europe? In Africa continent. And see the second Romans here, match the statement with the reason, take the appropriate answer. Okay, children? See, the statement is given here. Migration of man of different parts of the world resulted in changes of physics and color. Reason, climatic changes. These are all the statement, and reason is correct. The answer for this, option C, that is statement and reason, is correct. Okay, children? Once again I am telling the answer. Option C. Option C is the correct one. Okay, option C is the correct one. That is statement and reason is correct. Okay, children? Yes. Let me move to the third Roman. That is, find out the right pair. Okay, here see, Australopithecus walked on both legs. This is the right one. Okay, yes, of course, Australopithecus walked on the walked on both legs. Homo habilis, the answer is given wrongly, upright man. C option, Homo erectus, wise man, no. And Homo sapiens is a less protruding face, that is also no. So here, see here, find out the right pairs. Yes, of course. See, Australopithecus and walked on the both legs or the wrong one. Okay, so here the option is B, C and D. Which are all the correct one? The option B, C and D, these three are all the correct pair. Okay children, correct pair. You just see here, find out what that is. The wrong pair means which one that you have to find out? Already Australopithecus walked on both leg is a wrong pair. Okay children, this is a first one is a wrong pair, and last three are the right pairs. Okay, yes, see now here, Roman number 4, fill in the blanks. First one, anthropologist, answer, unearthed the footprints of humans in Tanzania. And second one, million of years ago our ancestors led dash a life. What a life? Nomadic life. NOMADIC, nomadic life. For the first one, I am going to spell here once again. I am telling the spelling, ANTHROPOLOGIST, anthropologist. Okay, and see the third one, the main occupations of the ancient humans were what? Hunting, HUNTING, hunting. Here you have to give the answer, hunting. And here see, food gathering, you can include it here in the one line, food gathering, FOOD, food space GATHERING, food gathering. And fourth one, the invention of dash made farming easier. What made? Plough, PLOUGH, plough made farming easier. Fifth one, rock paintings are found at where? Found at dash in Nilgiris, that is Porivarai, PORI, Pori, VARI, Porivari cave, 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 Porivari cave in Nilgiri. Okay, Porivari cave, it is situated in Karikayyur, KARI, Karikayyur in Nilgiris. I am telling once again the answer, PORI, Porivari, VARI, Porivari cave. It is situated in Karikayyur, KARIKAIYUR, Karikayyur in Nilgiris. Okay, yes. Next, see, state the true or false. The first one, anthropology is the study of coins. True or false? Answer is false. Homo erectus, Java man, had the knowledge of fire. Answer what? True. The first scientific invention of humans was wheel. Human was wheel. Is it so? Yes, of course. True. The answer is true. And fourth one, goat was the first animal to be domesticated by humans. What is the answer? Answer is false. And see the sixth Roman. Okay, what method is used to find out the age of the excavated material? That is radiocarbon dating. Take down the answer, radio, RADIO, radio space CARBON, carbon space DATING, dating, radiocarbon dating. And second one, what did early humans wear? Leaves, 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 skins of animals, SKINS, skins of animals, and bark, BARK, bark of trees. Okay, so this is the answer for second one. I am telling once again, leaves, skins of animals, and barks of trees. Third one, where did early humans live? Caves, CAVES, they lived in caves. Okay, yes. Which animal was used for ploughing? Oxen, OXEN, oxen are used for ploughing. Nowadays, the modern era were used what type of material as a tractor? Okay, children, yes. See now, in olden days, the ploughing were most overly used by animal or oxen. Okay, yes. Fifth one, see, when did humans settled in one place? After learning agriculture, AFTER, after LEA LEA or NING, learning agriculture. Space with, have to leave it the space and give the answer AGRICULTURE, agriculture. Okay, answer for fifth one is after learning agriculture. Okay, children. Yes. See here, you can see the third Roman, find out the wrong pair. Another one title also you can give, find out the right pair, means you have to give the right pair, means you have to give B, C, D or the right pairs. If suppose wrong pair, means you have to give Australopithecus is a walked on both legs. It's a wrong pair. Okay, children. Yes. So answer is here. The title wrong pair means Australopithecus is walked on both legs. Okay, children. Yes, that's all, children. We are here at last of the ending of the session, children. Hope that you have understood this lesson as lot. Okay, children. Go through, do your homework regularly. Take care, children. Bye.